You might have heard whispers among coin collectors, rumors about ordinary-looking nickels that could be worth far more than 5 cents. Some claim that it may be worth thousands, even millions. And yes, some of those whispers point straight to a coin that you might have in your pocket right now, the 2015 Jefferson Nickel. Could it really be worth hundreds or thousands? Or maybe even more if you've got the right one? Let's find out, but keep watching until the end, because the real value might surprise you. At first glance, the 2015 nickel looks like just another everyday coin. But don't be fooled. On the obverse, you'll see the left-facing portrait of Thomas Jefferson, the third President of the United States, author of the Declaration of Independence, and one of the most influential figures in American history. Above his head reads, "In God we trust," while to the left, in Jefferson's own elegant handwriting style, is the word liberty, followed by the year 2015 and the tiny D mint mark. That's the key detail telling you this coin came from the Denver Mint. Flip it over, and you'll find the reverse design, the stately image of Monticello, Jefferson's famous Virginia home, designed by artist Felix Schlag. Above Monticello is the Latin motto, E pluribus unum, meaning out of many, one. Beneath it, the word Monticello arches proudly, followed by 5 cents, and finally, United States of America. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most 2015 Jefferson nickels you find in change are worth exactly 5 cents. That's it. But the story doesn't end there. In uncirculated condition, with sharp details and a flawless shine, they can fetch 30 cents to $1. Still not life-changing, unless yours is in the highest possible grades. Coins graded MS-67 or better by PCGS or NGC can sell for $100 to $300 at auction, and those in MS-68 could push even higher, as collectors fiercely compete for the finest known examples. But the real treasure lies in error coins. Imagine a nickel struck off-center, where part of the design is missing, or one with a doubled die where details like the lettering or Monticello's columns appear doubled. Some 2015 nickels have even been found struck on the wrong planchet, for example, on a blank meant for a dime, and those can sell for hundreds of dollars, sometimes more. And now, the truth you've been waiting for. Can a 2015 nickel ever be worth millions? The short answer is no. This is a modern coin with a massive mintage, meaning millions were made and they're easy to find. Even the most perfect high-grade examples known have only sold for a few $100s. The absolute highest realistic value for a 2015 Jefferson nickel would be in the low thousands if it had a dramatic, unique, never-before-seen mint error. But million-dollar territory? That's something reserved for extremely rare historic coins, not modern nickels like this. So, before you toss that 2015 Jefferson nickel back into your change jar, give it a closer look. Check for flawless surfaces, sharp strikes, or unusual mistakes. Because while most are only worth a nickel, the right one could still be a nice surprise worth far more, just not millions.